What is up, SEO Club? Today we're gonna talk about is word count ranking factor. Yes and no in 2021. In the past, it's a definitely yes, but now it's a question mark, and I will show you why and how to overcome the question mark. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's get into my screen and let's show you an example of how to tie a tie. So by searching this term, you can easily see that this video from YouTube is dominating the SERPs. It clearly shows you every keyword is satisfied by YouTube, so you can definitely utilize and do videos to satisfy this intent, because now we can see Google and YouTube is mashing their data to solve the user's intent, to use user query. All right, so user intent is what they put number one for SEO. So keep in mind, you just want to solve problem, and if you can solve it in a creative way, you would definitely get ranking, and of course you would get click-through rates. What I mean by that is, look at this. This is the number one SERPs, right? It is a video showing you how to tie. It's a few seconds and it's easy. So if I'm a student, I don't know how to tie a tie, and I search for this would definitely serve my problem. When I want to look for more information, I might want to look for information on the image, right? It's very clearly step by step how to tie a tie. So you see, all this is teaching you in motion or step by step. If you try to write 1,000 words on how to tie a tie, a simple knot, it's not going to work. But look at this. This guy, this realmanrealstyle.com is taking over the top. This is the fifth, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. This is the fifth position. So how did it do it? Is they have a very creative way. Teaching you 17 different ways to tie a necktie. So there are 17 different ways which might arouse my curiosity and maybe solve more than one of my problems, right? So I might click through that. So that's why they are on the first page. And this article is a lot longer than any other on that same page. So that's why I say it depends on how you solve the problem. If you solve it in this kind of a very creative way, all right, definitely you need a longer article to answer the query. But if you only want to solve it like one simple knot, like this one, you only need a few hundred, like very simple. Look at this. Let me count the keyword, the word count for you. Let's do this and count these keywords. It's only 200, right? It's not even up to the past SEO standard, like 600 keywords. So it really depends on the searching intent and how you solve problems. So keep in mind, SEO, you want to solve problem, and if your article is not solving problem, it's not giving value, then it might not be ranking well, no matter how many backlinks you build. It's not about backlinks these days, but backlinks also count. So another tool that I want to mention in this video is the Surfer SEO. So it really helps you to average out if you're doing different keyword like digital radiography, all right, like this kind of very informative or very in-depth stuff. Keyword, the word count is definitely something. So look at this. The dominating one is they have so much keyword, and it's so boring, but it's ranking because it's serving the doctors, right? The doctors or some high educated personnel that they do not need any other stuff, because they are so used to reading such books, right? So this kind of stuff serves them well without even having images. So you might want to keep in mind what kind of people you're serving your articles to. So if keywords matter, I would definitely recommend Surfer. And Surfer does a great job. He also have the clustering strategy. That means you can find clustering opportunities for this keyword. That means you can create another article around another topic that is related to this keyword, right? That will definitely increase the topical relevancy of the keyword that you are originally trying to rank for. So this is a great tool, and with the search result analyzer, you could easily understand the top 10s and the amount of keywords of the average, right? And the backlinks of the average and everything else. So yeah, you can see from referring domains and referring URLs. It's a very good tool, and I'd highly recommend if you're doing content marketing, like you planning out content, your content strategies, definitely would recommend this tool to save you a lot of time and headaches. And this tool is really not that expensive actually. Of course, if you're an SEO, I really recommend you go for Ahrefs and Surfer SEO. So what about SEMrush? A lot of people will ask this question. SEMrush is a great tool for PPC. The keyword difficulty is, I would say, they have their own metrics. So if you want to follow their metrics, it's very different from a keyword research tool, right? So their metrics would be above 70 to 100 would be still above 70 to 90 is still medium, and 0 to 60 is very easy. It's a great tool to check it out if you want to research on PPC. Another one is Suggest. So this one it's like a keyword.io tool plus Ahrefs. Definitely consider Surfer SEO, and I have the affiliate link for Surfer SEO and SEMrush. If you want to check them out, click the links below in the description. And that's the end of the video. I hope you have a lot of value from this video, and I'll see you in the next one.